everybody, this is Miss Route. I just wanted to do a little video here on Nearpod and try this out. Hope everything's going okay. I miss you so much. We're going to talk about the young republics, our new topic. So what that means is now we've got done with government. We're still talking about citizenship a little bit, but the young republic is like our young country. Republic means that we elect our representatives to vote for us, like the Senate and House representative we've learned about. And we're young. We're like a little baby country. We're learning everything out. Now, we're just so far. We have 13 states, and then they did add Vermont as the 14th state. So as this all is going on, people are trying to branch over into what they call the West, and that's like the Ohio River Valley. That's like where we're from. It was their West. So one pioneer that you've heard a little bit when they came and did that play for us was Daniel Boone. Okay, now Daniel Boone was a pioneer, which means it's someone that went out and that tried to find new places and new things. So you could be a pioneer one day, maybe in your field of whatever you choose career. You might find something new, like if you're going to medicine, you might find a cure to disease or something. So they're working on being pioneer medicine right now with this COVID-19. So if we were in class, I would give you some chips here. So if you've got any Doritos laying around, these aren't going to be Doritos. They've labeled them wrong again. Okay, they labeled them wrong. So these are actually Appalachian Mountains. Okay, Appalachian Mountains. Now, so remember, the Appalachian Mountains has the trees all over them that we have here we have close to us. Like if you go to Tennessee, this part of the Smokies. So Daniel Boone found a little place in the Appalachian Mountains. As he was going in, coming out, he found a little gap in the mountains, and it was called the Cumberland Gap. And you can see here that you couldn't get a wagon through it, but he could get through it, and he found out how beautiful Kentucky was and all the animals and the resources Kentucky has. So people wanted to get into Kentucky, but they couldn't get through here, and there was the Appalachian Mountains. They couldn't take wagons through the mountains. Can you just imagine? Okay, so what he did was they hired Daniel Boone and his crew. I think it's, let me see here, down here, about 30 people, and they went through and they widened the trail here. So I'm going to widen it, take a big bite of it. Okay, so look now, get a little wagon through here, and all these people went through. These are delicious mountains, by the way. Anyway, all these people went through this trail. Now, they called this trail the Wilderness Road. What they call it? The Wilderness Road, even though it was not like a road like out here. This was just like what we think of trail. The Buffalo and the Native Americans had sort of made a trail before there through that area. But Daniel Boone and his crew widened it, and they called it the Wilderness Road. And then now all these people in their wagons can come through the Wilderness Road into Kentucky. And they actually settled a town there they named after Daniel Boone, of Boonesboro. And all these people came through. Thousands of people came through Kentucky. Now, you had to have 60,000 people to ask for statehood, so the United States government would protect you and the Army would protect you. So because of the Wilderness Road and Daniel Boone, Kentucky had enough people to become a state. So Kentucky becomes the 15th state because of this Wilderness Road. Okay? So remember, Daniel Boone widened the Cumberland Gap. Oh, I lost my mountains. Okay? And they went through and they widened. They called the trail Wilderness Road. And that's how all these people come to Kentucky and we became the 15th state. Okay, have fun answering the questions. See ya. If you need any help, let me know.